In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and let me show you how to update applications on this phone. So at first you need to reach your Play Store, and then tap on More. And if it's not accessible here, just mark your account icon, tap on My Apps and Games, and here you will find updates. You have two possibilities, so you can update either one particular application, for example Google Drive, by using this switcher right next to its icon. And at first the latest version will be downloaded and then installed. Afterwards you will be able to find it at the bottom of the list under Recently Updated, so we can wait a couple of seconds until it is done. And as you can see, it's right here, but also you can update all apps at once. To do it, just click on Update All. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way, and then if you go back, you'll be able to check the progress. So this is it. This is how you can update apps in your phone and your Samsung. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.